What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So one thing that I've noticed about working on cars is that the more you rebuild a car, the more tools you buy. And then the next thing you know, you pretty much have a semi full shop or a lot of shop tools that you need to tear down and rebuild a car. So the last video I was trying to putting the solid bushings, rear subframe bushings with a torch. I kept them frozen in my freezer for a long time until recently, till I got another part in, and next thing you know, so I kept these bushings in my freezer for a while because I was trying to get the stock ones out, and now I'm trying to put these in, and I was like, damn. I tried freezing them, heating up the subframe with a torch. That didn't work. You have to heat it up a lot for it to work like that, and I was like, man, I just don't have time for it. So this is where I last left off. This is how the subframe looks right now. So the bushings went in. As far as they went in with the torch and with them being frozen. So I decided to go ahead and get a 12-ton shop press or hydraulic press. I'm gonna be putting that together. This is what they gave me. This is what came in the box. Just a bag of bolts and nuts and washers. Not bagged separately and labeled. Everything in one bag. Loose together. Fuck. So I think I have it. I have sorted majority of the bolts and nuts and washers, and let's see about getting this thing up now. So. so I'm going to end the video right here. It's nighttime, I'm hungry, and the mosquitoes are really bad. So, see you guys tomorrow. And live your life.